everyone, this is Camille and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, then please make sure to subscribe and turn on that post notification so you're always notified whenever I have new videos. For today, we're doing an unboxing! So it took me such a long time before I decided to do an unboxing haul because I didn't really know if you guys were interested, but apparently a lot of you are really interested. So here we go. I've been away for a really long time, that's why I have quite a few to unbox for everyone. Let's start off with this one. So this is from Etam. There's a card that says, "Dear Camille, we know you can't wait to hit the beach. Here are a few of our favorite pics from the Etam swimwear line to get you prepped up. We hope you'll like them. Sending summer love from the beach and back. Etam, Philippines." Yay! Oh, it's a onesie. Oh, so sexy. It's a low back. I feel like there's gonna be some side boob action over here. And another one. Ooh, so sexy. This is so deep though. I don't know if I can actually rock this, given that I don't have any boobs, but I will try. Oh no, there's no pad slots. Because you know, when you have tiny boobies, pads are life. But I really do like this red one. This one, I'm not so sure yet if I can actually rock it. Okay, next. This one is from Rustan's Beauty Source. They always give me the best packages because they have all the best beauty brands. And I'm sure I'm in for a really good treat. Ooh! Ooh! It's from Laura Mercier, one of my favorite makeup brands. It says, "Dear Camille, the party might be over, but Velour Extreme is just getting started. Extreme Matte meets Extreme Control. Who says you can't have it all? Love, Rustan's The Beauty Source." Yeah! So you've got this neon pouch over here that I've probably used when I'm at the beach. A selfie light to put on your phone so that you know you're always well lit, a la Kim K. And finally, Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks. So they gave me 4 different shades. And ooh, what's this? Oh, it's the Bohemian Flush Cheek Crayon. Ooh, so pretty. And then we got these 5 shades. So in that order, it's Fresh, Cool, Dominate, Click, and Dare. Oh, so this is how it looks once you open it. So it's kind of like a lip pencil. Fresh. Oh, Dominate. Okay, that's cool right there. I like cool. I really like coral shades. This one, the last one, is Click. That's there. The one there. That's there. The one there. Oh. So corny. I know. Sorry. Next. Oh, what is this big box? It's so big and heavy. Oh my god, this is a test of muscles. It's taped so well. Like they don't want me to open this. Maybe it's gold that's inside. Oh, it's actually really witty. I didn't notice, but wait, it's kind of heavy. Oh, the box says, "Camille tries to oil." Haha, that's so cute. It's from Chloe Diesta. It's from Urban Zen Life. She sent me this because she has a brand called Oilitista. So it's her Young Living Instagram account. Oh my god, I love Young Living. My tita life is complete. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. It already smells so good. Woo. So this is the Young Living Essential Oils. From our fields to your family. So it says here, over 20 years of stewardship. Young Living's proprietary seed to seal program delivers essential oil-infused products of unmatched purity. Oh my god. This tita is so happy. Oh, and a lot of like brochures for how to use the oils. I can even DIY my own sprays like sleep spray, bathroom spray, room sprays. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god, she even sent me recipes. Oh, I'm making so many weird sounds. I know, I'm so sorry. So good. Oh my gosh. Desert Mist. Oh, this is awesome. Let's open them up. So this is an ultrasonic diffuser. Ah, it's so pretty. Look, it's so pretty. It's not your usual diffuser. I'm so happy. And then over here. So if you guys are having trouble sleeping or if you need like to de-stress, essential oils are really, really good. And I like to use these essential oils on diffusers whenever I want like a really good night's rest. I know it sounds so tita, but it really is the best ever. So this is apparently a starter kit. It's got all the oils. My life is complete. Thank you so much, Urban Zen Life. Please, if you guys are also interested, then check out Oilitista. Oilitista, not Oily Tita. I'm Oily Tita. This one actually caught my eye when it first came. It says Tita Kit. This Tita is curious. Oh, I guess this also came together with Urban Zen Life. And oh my gosh. So there's a bunch of different containers here that I can use to make my own scents. Like different ingredients, like this. And even this drop bottle. So I could also use my own essential oils and mix them up myself. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Oh, there's even an essential oil necklace. Wow. Add 1 to 3 drops of essential oils onto this little poofy thing, and then you put it inside here. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm like a Martha Stewart of essential oils now. I cannot wait to actually try this out for myself. Thank you so much. Okay, next. This one from ava.ph. Yes! So it's the Trisha Gossing Tan x Ava Summer in Bloom collection. Here's the card from my dear friend Trisha. And this is the top. It's actually the top of my choice. It's a square neck top with a bit of like a subtle puff sleeve and garterized ends over here. It's so pretty. Can't wait to wear it out. Thank you so much, Trisha and Ava. Next. This is from Helen Chick. She's actually an Instagram friend of mine. She's based in Sydney, if I'm not mistaken, or somewhere in Australia. And she has her own beachwear line. So she also gave me a card. This nice tropical print. I love it whenever brands send me these postcard notes. I love it. So it says, Dear Camille, we can't tell you how excited we are to see you in our Annabelle Maxi Dress and hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you so much for supporting our little brand. We are so grateful. Hope to see you soon, my love. Woo! So this is the Maxi Dress. Oh, the fabric is so nice. Feels like it's so breathable, not at all hot. I think it's linen. And it's even got nice tassel ends over here. Can't wait to bring it to the beach with me. Next up, this one is from... Oh, it's from Skull Candy. Yeah. So it's headphones, premium materials, and engineering for those who want to live at full volume. Ooh. Ooh. Why do you keep saying ooh? It's not a hands-free, but it's for sport performance. And then this one, TapTech one-touch control for music and call. Next. Wow. Okay. Packaging is already ruined. This one is from Madison and Reed, one of my favorite online stores. It's actually owned by one of the partners of Soak Swimwear. And I met her before when Coexist used to do bazaars still. And now she actually also started her own line, which is called Madison and Reese. And she's got more than just swimwear. So now she's got casual wear and she's got bags. Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Perfect beach bags to go with my beach dress. Oh, so cute. And then we've got... Is this another bag? Yes! Oh! Oh, okay. So this one goes inside the bag. Ah! Am I talking to myself? So there's like a button snap over here. Another one on the other side. There you go. Okay, next up. Another bag. Ooh. PVC bags are the best summer bags. Really. Oh, so cute. Ooh, a super cute skirt. Gingham skirt. Oh, another skirt in a tropical print. A robe. It also comes with this. Okay, next up is this from Kat Arambulo Antonio. It's her brand, Catastrophe. So it says here, Dearest Camille, a little something from my Catastrophe line. Enjoy. From Kat. Love her paper bag. Oh, so cute. I've always loved Kat's phone cases. And now I actually have one for myself. I'm gonna use it right now. Ooh, so cute. And it's also super thin, look. Feels super snug. Oh, there's a matching cell phone pop. I love cell phone pops because I lose my phone easily. I'll fix that later. Oh, this is so pretty. Look Got those jumbo paper clips in rose gold. So lush, pretty. And I've got a catastrophe notebook also. Catastrophe pens. So cute. Thank you so much, Kat. Let's open up this notebook for all of you because I know a lot of people actually like collecting notebooks. So in case you're wondering what it looks like inside, what the pages look like. Okay, so it's a lined notebook. And then this is the back page, back side of the paper. Okay, next. Ooh, this is my birthday gift for myself. I ordered 3 items from Net-a-Porter. So usually when you order from Net-a-Porter, it comes with this. It comes in a big box, but I already removed it because it's getting crowded here. The first item that I got for myself for my birthday is this. It's from Acne Studios. Ta-da! I've always wanted to have chunky sneakers, and this is perfect. It's in black and white. And then another pair of shoesies, because I love shoes. This is from Muse. Ooh, so pretty. I really do make weird sounds. I love it. I bought it because of the heel, really. It's so pretty, right? Look at that heel. It's so unique. It's a woven leather shoe. Can't wait to wear it out. The last item that I got for myself, because you know, you gotta treat yourself right. This one from Jacquemus. So I got this bag. Wait, let's cut the tag because we're sure we're not gonna return it. Sorry. I know I'm annoying. But isn't it pretty? Yeah. Next! This big box. I don't know what this is though. So hard to open. Ah! This is also from Madison and Reese. You can do this. I found an opening! There is hope! Yes! There is signs of life. Just a bit more. Push! Oh! Just kidding. Come on. We can do this. After 10 years. It's open! It's open! Yes! Ooh, it's a tea set. Oh. In white and gold. It says throne. So it's a tea set for queens. It comes with these teacups in white and gold. So there are 4 teacups, and then there's this for your cream or milk, and then there's also this container for your sugar, I guess. Oh, pretty. And the teacups also come with these plates. I'm officially part of the Tita world because I appreciate essential oils and tea sets. Next, we got our last 2 unboxing. Oh, this is already open. This is from one of my favorite international brands, Love Bonito. There's the thank you card over here. It says, Dear Camille, thank you for hanging out with us. Hope you had as much fun as we did. Looking forward to seeing you in our new collection from Love Bonito. It's a button-down midi dress that can actually also double as a coat or outerwear when you're at the beach, or even when you're not at the beach actually. And then it's pants in this prettiest rose color, and it comes with this vest, a matching color. Can't wait to wear this out. Thank you so much, Love Bonito. Next up, last but not the least. Oh, it's swimsuits. It's from NOWØ and NOWØ Swim. It's again a brand by another Instagram friend of mine. Look at that, so cute. It's got a nice crisscross bag and this white bikini set. It's kind of big on me though. No, it's not. Here's the bottom. Ta-da! I'm definitely ready for the beach. I need to go to the beach stat. Tomorrow I will go to the beach. Oh, good, oh, good. So that's it for our unboxing. We just finished unboxing everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed it as much as I do. I always end my vlogs like this. No, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I feel extremely blessed to be given this kind of opportunity to be able to work with all the different brands and to meet all these different friends who send me all these diverse products, especially these Tita gifts that I'm so excited to use. Thank you a million times over. And that's it for today. I hope to see you guys next week here on the same channel, same time next week. Bye! Please make sure to leave a comment below and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you want more unboxing. We out.